principal, the vice principal, Gigi, for getting in touch with me because we've had several requests from Hyderabad. We've had also a couple of centers approach us. With one center, we were very skeptic because they were not SLPs and OTs and we didn't want to dilute the program. But we were really happy to have collaborated with MAA to ensure that people in Hyderabad had the access to the program, and a lot of appreciation also for MAA Institute for the way you have organized it, the space, the food. You made sure everything was on time. I was picked up on time, dropped on time. So we have certain guidelines for getting the speaker and things like that. MAA met everything to the dot, and I like their professionalism, the multitasking they do. I am like mind blown. I think this is the third or the fourth time I'm talking about it, and I really like the way they do things here. And you participants have been so engaging and really funny. I've been laughing a lot these last 2 days, but we also did a lot of learning. We definitely had immense fun too. And all the people who came here as subjects for me to do the exercises on you and the strategies on you, thank you very much. That made it really more meaningful to each other. So yeah, I hope that you go back and you implement it immediately, because all learning should go with practice. And it's more to do with on-the-job learning, especially in a profession like ours. Wish you all the very best, and I believe that you're going to transform your sessions. Thank you.
It was very nice, Chitra, to learn new things. Some things we are already been applying, some things coming up and incorporating all these things. And I'm really happy that you came all the way and gave such a nice talk. Without any, you have too much of energy. Continue standing and following the things one after the other. That was really good. And hoping to get CS childhood apraxia speech in future. Thank you. Thank you for all the participants and CMD ma'am for giving us the opportunity to conduct such programs. Jish for taking initiative and organizing. Gigi for coordinating, and Aparna madam for putting all of us together. And thank you participants for
Following ma'am from a long period of time. I see her videos, I follow it, and then I apply on kids too. And I know Jish sir and ma'am here. I come very oftenly here to attend courses and conferences here. I had a lot of questions regarding feeding, and now I'm very much clear and very much excited to apply it on my kids and see the outcome. And I learned the hands-on what you have said, and you are very highly experienced. Your expertise really goes well. Gave me a lot of inputs to what to do, what not to do. So I was really happy, and thank you so much for it. Thank you, ma'am.
Myself, Dia. Actually, I was looking forward to this COSMI program since so long, and I was really waiting for, and I am happy I attended this and I gained a lot of information. I was doing this feeding and management part, but there are some areas where I always stuck, and some are joints like I cannot able to fill up. But today I am happy. I learned a lot of things, and I am eagerly waiting to do and make it on practical. Thank you, and also I am thanking MAA for bringing up this conference. And the arrangement, management part, everything goes well. I really liked it. So thank you.
We have gained many new insights regarding pediatric swallowing and feeding, and I'm really waiting to incorporate them in my therapy sessions as well. And this is the college where I have graduated from my bachelor's, so I really like to come back again here, and I'm looking forward to more sessions from you.
My name is Devesh, and last from 1 year I am working as a speech pathologist, and along with in speech therapy sessions I use prompt and OPT techniques also. I am not certified, but I learned a little bit from my seniors. So by this 2-day workshop, whatever I am working in the sessions, I correlate all the things, whatever I am doing, much of that it's correct, and 50 to 60% it's same, but I learned more, 40 to 50% I learned more also, how to categorize all the things and how to perform, how to handle the kids. That's I learned new.
Myself Feroz Khan, and I am from Rajasthan. Since 16 years I am working in the field of audiology. So I am here to join this COSMI program, and I have learned a lot from this program. And even I came to know from this program that we are doing lots of mistakes with our kids also. I learned a lot, and definitely it will help me in developing my program. Thank you, and in future I will definitely attend all the programs related to COSMI, and thank you MAA Institute for conducting this type of workshop.
How to deal with kids and achieve feeding goals. Yeah, I am excited to go back and apply on kids. Let's see, I think I will have more doubts later. I'll definitely approach you. And I would thank Ma for this, for getting you here.
We are in the second day of COSMI in MAA hospitals in Hyderabad. COSMI, it's so great. Ma'am was teaching us about the sensory and all the neuroscience, which are really practical for all the kids we are dealing, and I'm recommending for everyone.
Hi, myself Arpa. I'm from working in the Dr. Marines. 2 days workshop I attended here. It is super good learning and gain knowledge from 2 days workshop, and more to learn in these days and months if she organize more in the center.
Hi, I'm Kaveri from IB Child Development Center here at Pragati Nagar. So I have been here for the 2-day workshop on COSMI. It has been very helpful for us, which we lack awareness already. We are able to learn, and I'm looking forward for such conferences more over here. Thank you.
COSMI is a very useful program than the westernized courseworks whatever I have attended so far. COSMI is given us a great enlightenment to understand more about the sensory system as well as the neuroscience behind it, and also how to regulate the kids and connect with the kids, as well as to work on as a wholesome approach. So I recommend everyone to take this COSMI course. Thank you.
So I attended the COSMI program, and it's been super and excellent basically. Every step is a learning step for us over here, because ma'am is helping us so much with all our doubts, clarifying each and everything, taking so much interest in everybody's questions and answering them so well, till we are satisfied with all the answers. And it's absolutely a great experience that I have had over here, and I absolutely recommend it to everybody.